Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the baby whiff token. Now this is a play off of the dog with hat token that was very popular meme coin that came out recently. And of course when a token is popular, then you come out with the minis, the babies, all the different e-news, all that stuff. So now we have this token, the baby whiff. Ticker symbol is BIF. This token is about to start their pre-sale in around a day or so on pinksale.finance. Right now they're actually trending number 8. A lot of people are anticipating this pre-sale. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain. It's going to be a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. They have a full audit, a KYC. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the baby whiff token. So this token here, it says the cutest Shiba on Binance Smart Chain, full audit. So they were audited by Analytics Audit, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. And they have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons. And it says experienced team, base team, coin market cap, fast track, CoinGecko fast track, contract is renounced on launch, DEX tools, DEX view, DEX screener, AveDex trending, and BSC bot, Twitter bots, 4chan trending at launch, and media releases. And they have different news articles. They have links to them on their webpage here. So some of them are let's see here, Yahoo Finance, Digital Journal, and Benzinga. 3 different news articles have been released on the baby whiff token. It's a baby Shiba with a winter hat, the cutest meme on the Binance Smart Chain. You can find a link to their pre-sale audit and KYC on their webpage, babyWhiff.io. I'm going to put their Twitter on the screen here as usual so you guys can find that at babywhifftoken on Twitter or x.com, and they have a Telegram as well at babywhifftoken. Now their Telegram's doing very well. 5,481 Telegram members, 636 of them online, so that's a good place to join the conversation about this token if you're interested in it. It's a brand new project. You can see that their Twitter just joined in December 2023, and 2,611 Twitter followers already. And they have their Telegram link on there. They have their webpage link on the Twitter. So basically you can find all the links on this Twitter here. They have 5 tweets so far. Blue verified check mark. Contract address is in the webpage. And they already have a brand new central exchange listing. Now this is kind of like a tier 3 exchange. But it says here that there is the contract address, and it says Baby Whiff will be listed on Moon Talk. Now this, actually, let me check this out here. So Moon Talk, this maybe, I've never used Moon Talk. I'm not sure if you could actually get tokens off of it. I'll have to look into this, or if it's just like a chart listing site, like a coin listing site. But I do believe, maybe it's just a coin listing site. I don't know, but it looks like maybe it will have some central exchange listings in the future. Let me know in the comments who's used Moon Talk before. Is that, and that is Moon TOK. Is that a coin listing site, or do they actually sell tokens off there? Because some of them are both. Like, you can get a token off of DEX tools, and you can also use it as a chart and a coin listing site. So anyways, so the 9 decimal places on this token, there is a max contribution for this pre-sale of 2 BNB, because like I said, it's a Binance Smart Chain token, ticker symbol BIF. There's a total supply here of, let's see here, that's a billion, trillion, 420 quadrillion tokens. Initial market cap estimate for this project is $7,276. Soft cap for the pre-sale is 15 BNB, and there is no hard cap, so pre-sale is just going to go until time runs out. Pre-sale starts exactly New Year's Eve day, January 1st, 14 hours UTC time, and goes until January 3rd, 17 hours UTC time. So it's a 2-day, 3-hour pre-sale. Now, if you end up missing the pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with a Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the BIF token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll try to find that. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 180 days. According to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, it says 62.5% of the tokens go to presale, 31.23% of the tokens go to liquidity, 2.5% go to first central exchange listing, 2.5% second central exchange listing, and 1.26% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, yeah, it does look like they're going to get some centralized exchange listings in the future here, as well as decentralized exchange listings. Now, on their webpage, they have lots of links, lots of memes, the cutest Shiba on BSC. So BIF is more than just a cute doge wearing a winter hat. It symbolizes childlike curiosity and the massive potential in the meme space. Baby WIF is a statue of hope, promise of life, and a future of financial technology. Baby WIF is for everyone with a deep well of potential inside ready to be harnessed. Let's unlock the true power with the cutest memes. So they have a BIF paper, it says here, which is like a white paper you could check out. Their partners: Analytics Audit, DexView, DexTools, AveDex, and PinkSale. Now, 95% of the tokens go to presale and liquidity, 5% central exchanges, basically, is what they say on their page. Taxes are 5%, so if you are going to buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap later on, you have to set your slippage around 5%, maybe even for transfers. Now, 1% goes to the liquidity pool, 2% dev, 2% marketing. And how the roadmap goes: pre-sale, launch, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, AveDex, DexView, other data aggregator listings, major exchange listings, BIF, Baby WIF in the news, community growth, huge marketing, influencer calls, partnerships, 100,000 holders, meme takeover. So as you can see, very much just a meme token with little to no utility. So review the audits. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Now, most likely I have never used Moon Talk because I'm looking at it right now and it's almost all not in English. So that's a deterrent right there, but it does have the contract address and some information and stuff on here. So check it out. But yeah, they even have their chart on Moon Talk is just an embedded DEX screener chart. So you might as well just go to DEX screener anyways, because unless you speak other languages, it's going to be very hard to read this. But I digress. Anyways, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And yeah, check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.